Welcome to the second episode explaining gravity. This is Earth. It is from a YouTube video. That line in the middle is a tunnel that traverses the center of Earth from one end to the other. Scientists call the tunnel Gravity Express. This is the upper part where an object is entering the northern mouth of the tunnel. And this is the middle part. We can see the object reaching the core of Earth and crossing it on its way to the opposite edge of Earth. This is the opposite edge of the tunnel, with the object reaching it but does not fall due to the pull of Earth's gravity. According to scientists, travel time is 42 minutes. In this video, scientists underline their understanding of gravity, and as presented, it is possible to cross Earth from one end to the other, which is grievously wrong. This is my explanation on what gravity is. This is Earth, showing the north and south hemispheres and equator. It is said that water seeks its lowest level, so that if water is poured into that hole, water would occupy the lowest part first. Now, if that hole is extended to the opposite end of Earth, one looking at the hole would appreciate the water to slide down until it reaches the opposite end of the hole. However, in the southern hemisphere, the same law of water seeking the lowest level applies. The scientist's illustration missed one important aspect of the problem. It failed to determine the direction of up and down. In this illustration with two persons drawn on opposite sides of Earth, it becomes clear that the direction of up is towards the head and down is the feet. It goes to say that the direction of up or down is relative to the body where the persons are located. Now, with several people on opposite sides of Earth, it becomes clear that water does not seek the lowest level but the center of mass. This is the explanation on why the ocean follows a spherical pattern. Because when several points on the surface of Earth are drawn to cut the center of the mass, the meeting point of the lines is round, not square. Thus, the point the object seeks is round thing, not the square. The same is true on every body in outer space. Gravity is not about attraction of two bodies, but the process of each element composing a body constantly seeking the center of mass they constitute, and the explanation is atomic vibration. This is another scientist's view of gravity that came out of Einstein's theory of relativity, which is another misconception. Imaginary or otherwise, this does not happen, since there is no plane in space or substance in space to hold the body in this manner. From the innards of a volcano to the oceans, from the grain of sand to the physical makeup of humans and other sentient beings, having the same elemental and structural component of the body as the body we compose, we constantly seek the center of mass of the body we compose. This is gravity, which is a process of seeking the center of mass, and it applies to any body or form, size notwithstanding, because it's a function of atomic vibration.